Hello everyone, welcome to Mindful with Shoptaborno, where we talk about different aspects of life. And today's topic is developing a growth mindset, which is an important topic for youth to have. We will discuss what a growth mindset is, what are the benefits of having a growth mindset, and how to develop it. So let's understand what is a growth mindset. A growth mindset is a way of thinking that believes that one's ability and intelligence can be developed through hard work, dedication, and learning from mistakes. A person with a growth mindset believes that they can improve their skills and abilities with effort, perseverance, and feedback. Now, let's talk about the benefits of having a growth mindset. Why should you have it? What's the reason behind it? Having a growth mindset has several benefits. Firstly, having a growth mindset means that you believe in your ability to learn and develop. Instead of thinking that you are limited by your current abilities or intelligence, you see them as a starting point for growth. This allows you to approach challenges with a more positive attitude, and ultimately it helps you achieve more success. Another benefit of having a growth mindset is that it helps you to embrace failure as a part of the learning process. When you have a growth mindset, you don't see failure as a setback or a reflection of your abilities. Instead, you see it as an opportunity to learn and grow. This allows you to bounce back from setbacks more quickly and ultimately achieve greater success. Having a growth mindset can also improve your resilience. When you believe that you can learn and develop, you are more likely to persevere through challenges and setbacks. You are also more likely to seek out feedback and use it to improve, which can help you overcome the obstacles more effectively. When you approach challenges with an open and curious mindset, you are more likely to come up with innovative solutions. You are also more willing to take risks and try new things, which can lead to new discoveries and breakthroughs. Finally, having a growth mindset can improve your relationships. When you see others as capable of growth and development, you are more likely to support and encourage them. This can foster stronger relationships and a more positive and collaborative environment. Now, let's understand how you can develop a growth mindset. Here are some tips. First, embrace challenges. You should view challenges as an opportunity to learn and grow rather than something to avoid. Second, adopt a positive attitude. Try to approach challenges with a positive attitude, focusing on what you can learn and achieve. Third, learn from mistakes. See mistakes as an opportunity to learn and grow rather than just failures. Understand that failure is a natural part of the learning process and use it as an opportunity to learn and improve. Just think about how you can do it better next time. Fourth, seek feedback. You should always seek out feedback from others, whether it's from teachers, peers, or mentors. Feedback can help us identify areas for improvement and continue to grow. It actually works. Just try it. And lastly, celebrate success. Everyone, I repeat, everyone should celebrate their success, no matter how small they seem. Celebrating success can help in building confidence and reinforce a growth mindset. In conclusion, developing a growth mindset is essential for everyone, not only for students and youth. It helps us embrace challenges, persist through setbacks, learn from mistakes, and improve their daily performance. So, thank you for listening. See you in another episode of Mindful with Shoptaborno. Till then, stay tuned.